Microsoft has released a Power BI content pack for Microsoft Project for the web. The content pack allows organizations to deploy out-of-the-box reporting against this new service. It's a very nice way to see status across all the projects being worked on. There are 9 report pages in total. The first 3 focus on a roll-up of projects into the portfolio, so a high-level view of status across projects. The next 2 have a resource focus. Then the last 4 drill down to the task level, including work for individuals and their timelines. On the portfolio dashboard, the cards on the left summarize how many projects we have and what the total effort, effort completed, and effort remaining is. We can filter the report by projects that are not started, completed, or in progress. The visual in the middle allows us to quickly see the effort by project and what's completed and remaining. The pie chart on the right allows us to filter for individual project managers. And the visual tooltip gives us a preview of milestones due by month for each project manager. And if we highlight a single project in the table, it cross-filters the rest of the page. And in the table itself, we can see the start and finish dates, progress, effort, a count of tasks, overdue tasks, late, on track, future, and completed tasks. We can also link back to the project directly from the link icon. For a large portfolio of projects, the filter pane on the right allows us to further refine the projects we're looking for. For example, I could filter to see just the projects with overdue tasks. The portfolio timeline is a nice project-level visual of where the work falls on a timeline. We can gauge progress visually and also mouse over to get more detailed information. And of course, we can filter by project progress or project manager, or even choose a specific time period. The Portfolio Milestones report then focuses in on the recent milestones. That's those we were supposed to have finished in the past 30 days. And also the upcoming milestones for the next 30 days. The red, yellow, green traffic light indicators show us which milestones are overdue, late, on track, future, or completed. And again, we can cross-filter on the donut charts for individual projects. Next up is the resource dashboard. And as the name suggests, the focus here is really on resources and their tasks on projects. At the top, we can filter on task progress, task status, and resource. The cards on the left summarize the key data based on what we have filtered for. So we're seeing 30 resources here, as well as the count of tasks that are not started, in progress, or completed. And also the total effort, completed, and remaining effort. If we mouse over the tasks by status pie chart, we can see how many overdue tasks there are by project. And if we select an individual in the donut chart, we can see the status for that person. Resource assignments goes one level deeper and shows us the task assignments for all the people in my organization. For example, we can pick one of our team members here and see his total amount of work, which projects he's working on, and even expand down to see the tasks. The table then shows start and finish dates, as well as progress, effort, effort completed, and effort remaining. In this scenario, it might make sense for me to filter for just tasks that are either in progress or not started. The Task Overview report page is really great for helping us identify exceptions and see the status of the detailed work across projects. The table is sorted by the key performance indicators, so we see overdue tasks first, then those that are late, and so on. And dates are highlighted for exceptions as well, just like in Project for the Web. We can also sort the table on any of the columns. So if we want to see where we have the most work remaining, we can sort on that column. The pie chart and the tree map in the middle both report against the buckets of a project. So we can actually drill down to see the tasks by project and bucket, as well as the effort by project and bucket. The project timeline report is similar to the portfolio timeline report we saw earlier, except this one goes all the way down to a task level for an individual project or looking across projects. And now we can see the detailed status for individual tasks. The My Work report focuses on work for one or more individuals. It's a great way for a team member to see their own work or for a manager to see what his or her team is working on. The data here is similar to what we saw on the task overview report, just looking at it from a resource perspective. Likewise, the My Timeline report is a personal timeline view for individuals or a team of people. It looks across projects and shows all of the work, filtered for a specific time frame if necessary. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Project for the Web or any other Microsoft PPM solutions, please contact us to get the conversation started.